Best Luxury Large Cars for 2024, 2023 Lexus LS. In the realm of luxury large cars for 2024, the 2023 Lexus LS emerges as a beacon of refined elegance, cutting-edge technology, and serene performance. Lexus, celebrated for its unwavering commitment to luxury and innovation, proudly introduces the LS as the pinnacle of excellence in the luxury large car category. 2023 Lexus LS, a masterpiece of timeless luxury. The 2023 Lexus LS captures attention with its exterior design, seamlessly melding sophistication and meticulous detailing to create an ambience of timeless luxury. The LS' iconic spindle grille, sleek lines, and attention to detail contribute to its commanding and distinguished presence on the road. Lexus's commitment to perfection extends to the interior, where sumptuous materials, state-of-the-art technology, and exquisite craftsmanship create an environment that reflects the LS' dedication to unmatched opulence. Under the hood, the LS delivers a performance that complements its luxury status. With powerful yet refined engine options, a whisper-quiet cabin, and Lexus's dedication to a serene ride, the LS ensures a driving experience that is both tranquil and exhilarating. This makes it an ideal choice for those who demand a luxury large car that seamlessly combines opulence with serene performance. Lexus's commitment to delivering an unparalleled driving experience is evident in every facet of the LS, solidifying its status as a leader in the luxury large car segment. Top luxury large cars of 2024, LS stands tall. While the 2023 Lexus LS rightfully claims its position as the best luxury large car for 2024, it competes with other prestigious models vying for attention. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and Audi A8 are among the contenders, each offering their unique blend of luxury and performance. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class, celebrated for its timeless elegance and cutting-edge technology, remains a formidable competitor in the luxury large car segment. The BMW 7 Series, known for its dynamic driving experience and opulent features, adds an element of excitement to the competition. The Audi A8, with its sophisticated design and advanced safety features, contributes to the diversity of choices in this exclusive and competitive category. Consumer preferences and the pursuit of unmatched luxury. In an era where luxury car buyers seek an experience that transcends ordinary transportation, the 2023 Lexus LS aligns seamlessly with evolving preferences. The allure of a luxury large car that effortlessly integrates sumptuousness with state-of-the-art technology caters to drivers who desire a sophisticated and tranquil journey. As consumers increasingly demand cars that offer an unparalleled blend of style, features, and innovation, the LS emerges as a frontrunner. Lexus's legacy of crafting vehicles that redefine luxury ensures that the LS remains the epitome of opulence for those who seek a luxury large car that defines the essence of contemporary driving excellence. In conclusion, the luxury large car segment for 2024 promises an infusion of opulence and performance, and the 2023 Lexus LS leads the way. As Lexus continues to redefine the standards of luxury, the LS stands as a symbol of how elegance, innovation, and performance can seamlessly coalesce, offering drivers a sophisticated yet serene driving experience that sets the standard for luxury large cars.